I'm Brian DeLuca and this is Make or Build It. Today we're talking all about automotive sensors. Everything from TPMS to LiDAR and how they're making cars safer and more efficient. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. Automotive sensors. Navigating the automotive sensor landscape, ensuring safety and efficiency on the roads. In automotive technology, sensors continue to be at the forefront of innovation, playing a role in elevating the safety, efficiency, and overall driving experience. We're going to explore the diverse spectrum of sensors found in modern cars, shedding light on the functionalities and highlighting their significance. There are so many sensors, we can't cover all of them, but here are some you need to know about. Proximity sensors. Proximity sensors, employing ultrasound waves, aid in parking assistance systems by detecting obstacles in close proximity to the vehicle. This technology ensures safe parking maneuvers and minimizes the risk of collision. Proximity sensors work in conjunction with other sensors to provide a comprehensive awareness of the vehicle's surroundings, enhancing driver confidence and reducing the likelihood of accidents. ABS, anti-lock braking system sensors. ABS sensors monitor the rotation speed of each wheel, preventing wheel lockups during heavy braking. This crucial component enhances braking performance and allows the driver to maintain steering control in emergency situations. By modulating brake pressure, ABS sensors contribute to safer braking and reduce the risk of accidents caused by skidding. Throttle position sensor. The throttle position sensor communicates the position of the throttle pedal to the engine control unit, ECU, enabling precise control of the air-fuel mixture and optimizing engine performance. Well-functioning throttle position sensors contribute to smooth acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and overall engine reliability. Oxygen O2 sensors. Oxygen sensors located in the exhaust system monitor the level of oxygen in exhaust gases. This information is crucial for adjusting the air-fuel mixture, reducing emissions, and enhancing fuel efficiency. The proper functioning of oxygen sensors is essential for compliance with environmental standards and maintaining optimal engine performance. Camshaft and crankshaft position sensors. Camshaft and crankshaft position sensors provide vital data for accurate engine timing, optimizing fuel injection and ignition timing. This precision contributes to smooth engine operation, improved fuel efficiency, and reduces emissions. These sensors are integral to the overall performance and reliability of the vehicle. Collision detection sensors. Radar and LiDAR, part of the collision detection sensors, enable advanced driver assistance ADAS. These sensors monitor the surrounding environment, detect potential collisions, and facilitate features such as automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control. Collision detection sensors significantly enhance safety by taking corrective actions to prevent or mitigate collisions. Wheel speed sensors. Wheel speed sensors contribute to the traction control system and electronic stability control by monitoring the speed of each wheel. This information helps prevent skidding and loss of control during rapid acceleration or deceleration, ensuring enhanced vehicle stability and safety in challenging driving conditions. As automotive technology continues to evolve, the integration of a diverse array of sensors becomes increasingly crucial for ensuring the safety, efficiency, and overall performance of vehicles. From tire pressure monitoring to advanced LiDAR applications, each sensor plays a unique role in creating a comprehensive and sophisticated network that empowers modern cars to navigate the roads with heightened precision and safety. The ongoing advancements in sensor technology promises to shape the future of driving, ushering in an era of enhanced connectivity, automation, and safety on our roadways. I hope you enjoyed this video on automotive sensors. For more on technology, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It. And remember, keep on making.